Captain, I'm afraid we've just run out of Colombian coffee.
Run out, Mr. Harwood. Full about, Mr. Roberts. Engine room, full speed.
Nathan. A very interesting little tone herd we delivered to the shop today. These little guys are great. Look at this. This is not from Fedecojagua or Cagua, Guatemala. No. There's no coffee in here. What is it? What can it be? What a cool amp cover. This is a Blues Junior. No stranger to this shop here, I can tell you. Looking forward to getting this old beastie cleaned up and doing her best. So we'll let you know what's up very soon, my man. Take care.